Find your tabletop position, knees under your hips, wrist under the shoulders. Engage your core, bringing your belly button to your spine. Inhale to lift the arm up. Extend the opposite leg back. And on the next inhale, see if you can lift the leg off the mat. Hold there. Pressing back with the foot. The foot is flexed. Pressing forward with the fingertips. Feel strong and steady. Keep breathing. Exhale to release the hand and the knee on the mat. And we go for the opposite side. Inhale, arm up. We extend the leg back, lifting the leg off the floor. See if you can align your shoulders, your hips together. Keep breathing. And exhale to release. Find your tabletop again. Inhale to lift the arm up. Extend the opposite leg back. Inhale, lift the leg off the mat. Hold here. On the exhale, bring the knee and the elbow to meet toward your belly button. Inhale to stretch. Exhale to crunch. Inhale, push forward with the fingertip, back with the foot, and crunch again. Last one. Stretch everything. And exhale to release the hand and the knee back on the floor. Get ready to go the opposite side. Align your hips and your knees, your shoulder and your wrist. Inhale to lift the arm up. Opposite leg goes back, lifting the leg off the mat. See if you can align both hips together, both shoulders together. Keep the core engaged. On the exhale, bring the elbow and the knee to meet. And inhale, stretch. Exhale, squeeze. Stretch. Squeeze. Inhale, stretch. Exhale to release the hand and the knee down. Adjusting your tabletop. Scooping the belly in. Inhale, arm up. Leg back. Lifting the leg off the floor. We're going to slide the elbow back, the knee forward, keeping them alongside the torso. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, squeeze. Keep pushing hard with the hand and the knee that are on the floor. Exhale, inhale, and exhale to release the hand and the knee down. And we take the same action the opposite side. Lifting the arm, extending the leg off the floor. We slide the elbow back, knee forward, keeping them close to the side of the body. Inhale to stretch, exhale to squeeze, keeping the core engaged, keep breathing. And hand come down, knee come down. Release everything. From your hand and knees, this time we're going to shift the weight to one side of the body, extending the leg back, turning the foot 90 degrees, planting the sole of the foot on the floor. Inhale to lift the arm up, opening your chest to one side. Push the pubic bone forward, stack up both hips together. Keeping the core engaged, both sides of the torso long. Feel steady and strong. See if you can lift your leg, pushing hard with the knee, the hand that are on the floor. On the exhale, upper arm alongside your ear, pushing back with the foot, forward with the fingertip. Engage the core, and we inhale, arm up, exhale, and down, knee down. Come back to your tabletop. And we go for the opposite side. Extending the leg back, foot 90 degrees, sole of the foot planted on the floor. We inhale, arm up. Both sides of the torso are long, core is engaged. See if you can lift your leg off the mat. Pushing hard with the hand that is on the floor. Exhale, maybe release the upper arm alongside your ear. And we stay here, pushing forward with the fingertip. The back foot is flexed, pushing hard. Inhale, arm up. Exhale, leg and hand down. From your tabletop, we're going to take the same activation. So shift your leg back, planting the foot 90 degrees on the floor. Inhale, arm up, both sides of the torso long, core is engaged. We lift the leg off the floor, hips are stacked. Feel strong and steady here. On the exhale, bring the upper arm alongside your ear. Inhale. Exhale, see if you can bring the elbow and the knee to meet. Inhale to stretch. Exhale, squeeze. The core stay engaged, pushing out with the knee and on the floor. Exhale to crunch. Inhale to stretch. Last one. Inhale, stretch. Exhale to release the hand and the knee down. Take 1 or 2 breaths to relax. And we shift the weight to the opposite side. Plant the sole of the feet back. Inhale, arm up. Scooping the belly button toward the spine. Lifting the leg off the floor. Arm come alongside your ear. On the exhale, we bring the elbow and the knee to meet. Squeezing everything really hard. Inhale to stretch. Exhale, squeeze. Inhale, stretch. Imagine someone pulling you from the fingertip and the foot at the same time. Exhale to crunch. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, release the hand and the knee down on the mat.